Hello guys, welcome on my YouTube channel. This engine is taken apart, but not sandblasted and not spray painted. But in every bolt nut I have put a nut inside because I want to protect the thread inside. Because when I'm going to sandblast it, sand will go in and it is difficult to get it out. Next step, sandblasted front cover of the engine. Oh shit! So that's an engine that's already sandblasted. I put some ventilation on. This engine is heated up 40 degrees, maybe 45, maybe 50, not heater than that. I've done it with a small heater, and now I'm going to paint it. Standard primer, Motip 040544, grey. This spray can is almost empty. Yes, I know. It doesn't matter when some paint is coming inside the engine, because it will stick there. Yes, this one is almost too empty. This one is finished. You can't spray the engine in one go. You have to turn it, you have to flip it, and you have to make the best of it. It's difficult to do it good. Tomorrow I will go sandblast the other engine. The engine is, how do we say that? When you put it right up, it will stand on those points. Don't worry. If it damaged after painting, don't worry. You won't see it. It's not a big issue. Oh, I've done it not for a long time. So I have to find my this part. This is the most difficult part, and it's almost not to do in one go. So you can see there it's not painted on this side, and there also it's not painted. There's a little spot, it's not good. If you don't get it right here, don't worry. You won't see it because the radiator is in front of it, so if it's not perfect, don't worry. There is a little spot, there's a little crack inside the aluminium. There's back again. When they pour the liquid aluminium into a mold, you can see when it is cooled down, little cracks in the surface of the aluminium, and when there is a little crack you have difficulties to spray paint it. Well, it looks very nice. The engine is still warm. Come here. Look from this side. There's not painted yet. There's also no paint there. Whee! It smells lovely. This is the side you're going to look to, so what are you seeing? Hopla. A thin layer of primer is also good. You don't have to do it thick. When it is covered, it's ready. Some places I prefer a thick layer, but not on all places. It's the side you're looking to, so it should be a little bit thicker, because primer gets a nice surface. So that will look nice. Is this the bottom? Yeah. It's finished. Alright. That's the side. That's the side you're looking to. Okay, it's very nice. I like it. I think I'm doing very well. Let me check one thing. Some of this. Yes, this is what I want to see. I'm very pleased, I'm very happy. So, put the engine away. You don't need it at the moment. This engine cover is a little bit rough because the oxidation of the aluminium is a little bit far. How do I say that in proper English? The surface is not very smooth. And also there is here a line inside the aluminium. That's from your ventilation cover. Don't worry, you won't see it. Now I can see, because I'm painting it, it's too cold. I can see that in structure, or how do I say that? The surface of the paint is not looking well to me. Give it a little bit more. Yes, okay. Always difficult. Don't try not to paint much on the holes, because when you bolt it together, when it is very thick, it will break off the paint. So try to get so less as paint as possible on the holes. Sometimes it's difficult, I know. I'm not very pleased. I want to have some heat inside. It's too cold here. So that's a heater. That's fine. And now I see some spots. I not have painted it, so I'm going to do that, but I want to have some heat inside this aluminium. Yes, I know. It's not the right way to do it. Yes. A little bit more heat, and I can see the texture of the surface is going flat. It has a nice glossy finish. That's what I want to see. Yes, that's what I want to see. I finished. This one is ready. So I have painted it 2 pieces now. The next one. Zo. Ventilation off. I want to have some heat here. That engine I will sandblast it tomorrow. And that engine I let dry now. I will paint it tomorrow. And then I leave it for about 48 hours to rest, and then I paint it with 3 layers of clear coat. And that's the first step to get an engine right again. Subscribe my videos, like it with a thumb, whatever we say on YouTube, and there are more movies coming. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.